welcome to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I like to share a fall theme wall sign as we're getting closer to fall, so now let's decorate for that season. For this project, we'll need white acrylic paint and a paintbrush, the word gather, and this wall sign from Dollar Tree. So first, I'll be removing the welcome part of it to get it ready for paint. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're here for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. As the board dries out, I'll go ahead and start printing the word gather. I made sure that all corners that will be seen of the words is all covered with paint. First coat of paint was dry, I went on give the board a second and a third coat of paint. I also give the board a second coat of paint because I could still see the picture. Now that everything is dry, I took my ruler and I will be dividing the board into 3 equal parts. That I've previously marked. To make the lines darker, I'm using a Sharpie to go over them again. Tracing the outer corners of the letter. This part can be a little tricky, but just keep the Sharpie close enough to the edge and create very thin lines. I'll be using those wooden cubes to connect the word to the board. I basically put them where I feel like more support will be needed. With the help of the small cubes, it makes it look like it's actually flowing off the board. To give this more of a little personal touch, I'm using those copper LED lights that I got from the Dollar Tree. They take 2 AA batteries, and I will be gluing them using the cubes as my guide. For the lights to actually be coming from behind of the words, so I make sure that all the wires were actually tucked away. Are tucked away, I will be using the cubes and add glue to them so I can actually add it to the board. back of the board, and I will also use other cubes to make everything level from the back. Around the fall season, I'll be using those maple leaves to give this sign a nice touch of fall. I glued a few of the leaves at the bottom of the word and each corner to give it a border. Cannot wait to display it. I hope you guys did enjoy this project as I enjoy sharing it with you. So I hope to see you next time. Bye.